Oh, right, because I didn't do that. Okay. No. Let me have a little audio. Cool. So I'm just doing a test stream right now because it's very bright in here. I can't see shit. So I might go on for about 10 or so minutes, and then I'll cancel this and go into the video proper. What am I looking for? Let's go solo studio mode so I can edit this in real time. This is not where I'd like it to be, but this is positional movement. Where am I right now? I have a video window key. I wonder if this is still set up to work. Cool. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. At least I think you can see exactly everything. I don't know how to do this outside of studio mode, so whatever. There's a little treat for people on Twitch. It's this one? No, I'm in the IRL one. Yeah, IRL window. So many windows I barely ever use. That's the new camera, newish camera. So, not this, but this. To unlock it. Oh, it is unlocked. Huh. Okay. Unlock, transform. Did I click the wrong window? Now all of a sudden I have options. And I want to continue stretching this with this tool here. So, yeah, fills on the side without moving it positionally. Perfect. Beautiful. And then I did this earlier. That's this, right? No, that's this. I don't know what this is. Oh, that's the other capture device. Okay. Let's do this then. Plenty of thumbnails and stuff. Did it not? It didn't save, did it? It happens sometimes. I think it saved it as a URL. Yeah, you can't see this, I don't think. You could probably see me do the window thing. Let me try that again. It probably didn't save, or it saved it as something else. MIB 222. Looks like it didn't save the first time. MIB, there it is. So, yeah. Need to lock IRL. Okay. Just flies with this. Oh, you know what? I actually meant to go with a different image. Because this is rough. But you know what? Because of the angle and the, what do you call it? The length of it's good enough, so I'm just gonna reduce the height to like, it's 2000. Let's go 200. Let's just quick dash 200. Yeah, too scrunched up. That's pretty bad. So 400 is that's pretty good. Like, it just gets the idea across. Let's go back. I just grabbed these off of Google, obviously. Is that the white dingo? That doesn't look like the standard gym. Must be a pre-painted model. Yeah. This one. That's a Jim Quell, isn't it? Let me click this. Huh. Looks like a Jim Quell. Standard. I want something with more like width, because I can cut the width. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, you can see. Okay. I didn't think my display capture was on. Want to hide. Not browser. Silly me. I could just copy, but no. image 2, and then select image. What? I must be losing my mind because it's so bright in here. I can't see what I'm clicking properly. Okay. Alright. That's got good length width to work with. First try. Alright, we're gonna go with that one. Okay, cool. You know, it's fine. I can live with that. Okay, cool. That was pretty good. How long was that, I wonder? 6 minutes? I'm going to upload that separately. Alright, cool. I don't know why I paused the Twitch version like that does anything. Alright, cool.